In this video, I'm going to walk you through my real user experience with GoDaddy's hosting services. After signing up, the initial setup process was straightforward, though a bit cluttered due to upsell offers along the way. The dashboard feels modern, but can be slightly overwhelming, especially for first-time users. GoDaddy offers a wide variety of hosting options, including shared, VPS, and dedicated servers, but I focus on their standard web hosting plan to keep things relatable for small business owners and creators. Performance-wise, GoDaddy delivers decent speeds under normal conditions. However, I noticed a few inconsistencies during peak hours, particularly in regions with heavier traffic. The integrated cPanel provides a familiar environment, but there's a slight learning curve due to GoDaddy's customizations. Website loading times were acceptable, though not the fastest I've tested. I used several monitoring tools and found that the uptime hovered around 99.85%, which is within industry norms but not exceptional. Their customer support deserves both praise and critique. Live chat is available but sometimes takes a while to connect. The agents are knowledgeable, yet I occasionally felt like I was being routed through scripts rather than receiving direct answers. Phone support, on the other hand, was responsive and more personalized. And just when it felt like everything was lagging, AltaHost turned out to be the one solution that simply works. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. In terms of features, GoDaddy includes a free domain for the first year in basic SSL, but charges for many add-ons that competitors might include for free. The renewal prices also jump significantly, which can be a surprise if you're not paying attention at checkout. There are also daily backup options, but again, these come at an additional cost unless you're on one of the more premium plans. The interface, while visually polished, can be confusing because features are scattered across various tabs and sections. GoDaddy's marketing tools are robust, and their integration with email marketing platforms is a plus if you plan to grow your brand. Ultimately, GoDaddy offers a solid foundation for hosting a website, especially if you're already familiar with their domain services. But it's not without its shortcomings, and you may find better value elsewhere depending on your priorities, whether that's performance, customer support, or included features. If you found this review helpful, make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe for more honest tech reviews, and leave a comment with your own hosting experiences.